How to fix Instagram loading slow. If Instagram is loading slowly, then try these fixes for iPhone and Android. First of all, obviously check your internet connection because this is a first and primary option why Instagram is loading slow. If not, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one is faster. Once done so, simply go to the App Store in iOS and Google Play Store in Android. Now tap on the search address bar and search for the Instagram. Then tap on the Instagram from the list, and here if you see update option available, update it to the latest version. Once updated, go back to the home screen. Now from your home screen, tap on the settings app available on your device. On Android, tap on the settings and go to the apps and tap on the Instagram and clear the cache. But in iPhone, there is not a direct option to clear cache, so you can simply go to the settings, scroll down and tap on the general option available there. And once inside the general, again scroll down and tap on the iPhone storage option available there. Then scroll down and from the list tap on the Instagram. Then tap on the Float app and reinstall the Instagram. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.